True story. So I locked my keys in my car. But the good news was, when I locked my keys, I was actually parked in front of my house. So that allowed me to go in the house, jump on Amazon, and find an unlock kit, which came same day. Do you hear me? Shout out to Amazon. So as you can see, those are my keys sitting in the seat with the door locked. So yeah, so we're gonna take this kit and we're gonna try to get my car unlocked, my car door unlocked. So as you see in the kit, it comes with these inflatable wedges. You just pump them up like that, and then you can press that button beside the pump and it'll release the air out. And the same with this is a larger wedge. I got two different wedges, a larger one, which is this one, and then the one I just showed you, which is a smaller one. And then you can let the air out like that. Then it has a plastic wedge that you use to actually wedge the door open. It comes with the main hook, as you can see. And that hook, you can extend it out as long as you want, based off of the little extensions. And then, once you do that, then you can pick from the two hook ends. So I'm gonna use the wider hook end for my car, and then they have another hook end where it has a hook on both sides. Once we do that, we're gonna take the plastic wedge and wedge it in the door, and then we're gonna take the air wedge and stick it between the door and start pumping it up. That's gonna allow the door to start separating. And then we take the other air wedge and start pumping it up on the other side of the door. Before you put that hook inside of the door, make sure that those extensions are tight. Use that tool to make sure they're tight. That's a side view of kind of what it looks like. Just gonna give you enough space. You can pump it up some more if you need to stick that hook in there or rod to open that door. So what I wanted to happen was I used that rod to pull that door, that unlock latch open or unlock so that I can open the door, and then voila. But really what really happened was I actually figured out that I can take that hook or that rod and actually fetch my keys, because my keys were like sitting on a seat. As you can see, there go the keys. So what I did was I actually took that rod and fetched the keys. I was able to hook the ring of the keys onto that rod, and then I just started pulling it, and then I had to try to wiggle the keys out of the door frame. And voila, there you go. I got the keys out and I got the door open. Mission accomplished. So next I just put the tools back in that bag. It comes with a bag, and zip that thing up and we're done. If you lock the keys in the car and you need a kit like this, definitely check out the Amazon link in the comment section, and it'll take you directly to kits just like this. So whether you're able to unlock the door on the door panel or you're able to fetch your keys, there's multiple ways you can do it. As you can see, I did it the latter, fetching my keys. So to me, that was the easiest way for me. But let me know guys, what you think. How did it work for you? What's the best way you know how to do? Is there any tricks to the trade that I may not have shown that you can let us know an easier way to get it open? Put it in the comment section, let us know, and let's talk about it.